From Donald Trump revving up auto tariffs yet again to a fall from grace for 23andMe, this is the week in numbers. 25% is the tariff on all US car imports set by Donald Trump. He says the move will raise revenue and create jobs in the US.
This will continue to spur growth like you haven't seen. Before I was elected, we were losing all of our plants. They were being built in Mexico and Canada and other places. Now those plants largely have stopped and they're moving them to our country.
But critics say the tariffs will just choke off trade and raise prices for US shoppers. Over 7% was the plunge in shares for General Motors following news of the tariffs. The losses for auto stocks then rolled around the world, with Toyota and Hyundai among the big names hit hard. Industry experts fear a major hit to sales around the world, with S&P Global Mobility predicting the US shipments alone could drop by 1 million units or more. Over 20% is the drop in shares for Delta and United Airlines so far this year. Just weeks ago they were flying high amid soaring travel demand. But now airlines are cutting forecasts as economic turmoil saps optimism. Recent figures show US air ticket sales sliding in February after rising strongly the month before. 59% was the plunge in shares for 23andMe on Monday after it filed for bankruptcy. The genetic testing firm has struggled to recover from weak demand and a data breach 2 years ago that rattled its reputation. Only a few years ago, it was valued at almost $6 billion amid booming interest in DNA testing. But 73% was the surge in profit for Chinese auto giant BYD over the latest quarter. It's booming partly thanks to beating rivals on price. The Chinese firm has overtaken VW to lead sales in its home market, and it's rattled Tesla with plans for ultra-fast EV charging.